In recent years, many people in Kenya have started to look for better ways to earn money, especially using the internet. Life is changing fast, and the cost of living keeps going up. Because of this, many young people, students, and even workers are searching for ways to create extra income or even full-time income online. The good news is that the internet has opened many doors. Today, you do not need a big office or a lot of money to start a business. With a phone, a laptop, and a good idea, you can begin your journey. Kenya has seen strong growth in internet use since the year 2010. Mobile money services like M-Pesa have made it easy for people to send and receive money quickly. This has made online businesses even more possible. Today, many people buy and sell products using their phones. Others offer services to clients from different countries and get paid in foreign currencies. This means that even if you are in a small town, you can still work with people from big cities or even from outside Africa. One of the most popular online businesses in Kenya today is selling products online. This is often called e-commerce. You can sell clothes, shoes, electronics, beauty products, or even food items. Some people start with as little as 5,000 Kenyan shillings. They buy products in small quantities and sell them on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. As the business grows, they increase their stock. Some sellers make more than 50,000 Kenyan shillings every month just by selling online. The key to success in this business is choosing the right products and understanding what customers want. Another strong online opportunity is freelancing. Freelancing means offering your skills to clients and getting paid for your work. If you can write, design graphics, edit videos, or build websites, you can earn money online. Many Kenyans are working as freelancers and earning a good income. Some beginners start by earning 1,000 Kenyan shillings per day, while experienced freelancers can earn more than 100,000 Kenyan shillings per month. The best part is that you can work from home and choose your own schedule. However, freelancing requires patience at the beginning because it may take time to get your first client. Content creation is also growing very fast in Kenya. Many young people are creating videos on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. They talk about daily life, business ideas, education, or entertainment. At first, you may not earn money, but as your audience grows, you can start making income through advertisements and brand deals. Some content creators in Kenya earn more than 200,000 Kenyan shillings every month. To succeed in this area, you need consistency, creativity, and a clear message that people can relate to. Blogging is another great online business idea. A blog is a website where you write articles about topics you understand well. These topics can include business, health, education, technology, or even personal stories. Once your blog starts getting visitors, you can earn money through advertisements, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Starting a blog may cost around 3,000 to 10,000 Kenyan shillings, mainly for hosting and domain name. It may take a few months before you start earning, but with time, blogging can become a strong source of passive income. Dropshipping is also becoming popular among Kenyan entrepreneurs. In this business, you do not need to keep products in stock. Instead, when a customer orders a product, you buy it from a supplier who ships it directly to the customer. This reduces the risk of losing money on unsold goods. Many people start dropshipping with less than 10,000 Kenyan shillings. The challenge is finding reliable suppliers and ensuring that delivery times are not too long. However, if done well, this business can bring in steady income. Social media management is another opportunity that many people overlook. Today, many businesses know they need to be online, but they do not have time to manage their pages. This is where you come in. If you understand how to create posts, reply to messages, and grow followers, you can offer your services to businesses. Some social media managers charge between 10,000 and 50,000 Kenyan shillings per client every month. With just a few clients, you can build a stable income. Virtual assistant services are also in demand. A virtual assistant helps business owners with tasks such as replying to emails, scheduling meetings, and managing data. This work is usually done online, and you can work for clients from different countries. Many virtual assistants in Kenya earn between 30,000 and 80,000 Kenyan shillings every month. To succeed in this role, you need to be organized, reliable, and good at communication. Online teaching and coaching is another area that is growing quickly. If you are good at a subject like mathematics, English, business, or even fitness, you can teach others online. Some people create courses and sell them, while others offer one-on-one coaching sessions. This business can start small but grow very fast. Some coaches earn more than 100,000 Kenyan shillings per month once they build trust with their audience. In the year 2026, new trends are also shaping the online business space. One of these trends is the use of artificial intelligence tools. These tools help people create content faster, design graphics, and even communicate with customers. Another trend is selling through WhatsApp. Many small businesses in Kenya now use WhatsApp to talk directly to customers and close sales quickly. This method is simple and works well because many people already use WhatsApp daily. Even though online businesses have many advantages, there are also challenges. One common mistake is expecting quick money. Many people give up too early because they do not see results in the first few weeks. Another mistake is copying what everyone else is doing without adding something unique. To succeed, you need to stand out and offer value. It is also important to learn basic marketing skills so that you can reach more customers. Starting with low capital is possible. Even if you only have 1,000 Kenyan shillings, you can begin. For example, you can start freelancing using free tools or begin selling products by acting as a middleman. The key is to start small and grow step by step. As you earn money, you can reinvest it into your business and expand. Consistency is one of the most important factors in online success. Many successful entrepreneurs did not become rich overnight. They worked hard for months or even years before seeing big results. They kept learning, improving, and trying new ideas. If you stay consistent and keep learning, your chances of success will increase. Another important factor is building trust. Whether you are selling products or offering services, people need to trust you before they buy from you. This means being honest, delivering quality, and communicating clearly. When customers trust you, they are more likely to come back and even refer others to you. The future of online business in Kenya looks very bright. With better internet access, more digital tools, and a young population that is eager to learn, the opportunities will continue to grow. Many people are already changing their lives through online work. Some have moved from struggling to pay bills to earning stable incomes and even employing others. If you are thinking about starting an online business, the best time is now. You do not need to wait until you have a lot of money or perfect conditions. Start with what you have, learn as you go, and keep improving. Every big business started small. What matters is taking the first step and staying committed. In the end, online business is not just about making money. It is about creating freedom. Freedom to work from anywhere, freedom to choose your time, and freedom to build something that belongs to you. With the right mindset and effort, you can turn a simple idea into a powerful source of income that supports your life and your dreams.